Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very well. In our today's class, mathematics, we are going to learn about position words. What do we understand by the heading position words? Position words are basically those words which tell us about the position of a particular object. कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पर है, उसकी पर्टिकुलरली पोजीशन क्या है, वो किस जगह पर है, हमें ये वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हमें हेल्प करते हैं वो अंडरस्टैंड करने में. Like simply, for an example, if I tell you that the sketch pen that I am holding in my hand right now, this sketch pen is above, at the top, that is above. So these are the position words. When I am telling you that right now it is at the top, right now it is at the bottom of the box. So these are the position words. Few position words that today that we are going to understand about them are top and bottom. So what we have done, we have used the related words together. Like top is related with bottom. Top का मतलब हुआ ऊपर, कोई भी चीज किसी के भी ऊपर होना. Whereas bottom refers to the word when something is kept under something. So we are using the related words together, related position words together, like top and bottom. The second one is tall and short. What I can easily as an example use is like your mother is always taller than you and we are shorter. So that is tall and short. Again, these two words are interrelated with each other. I am going to explain this more in brief with the help of the page shown over here. This is your maths book page. Over here we are seeing that Tia is standing with Raj. This room is of Tia and Raj. So I am going to discuss more position words with the help of this page. Kindly look over here. Over here in one cupboard there are few things kept. As you all can see is एक ही page पर they have shown few things in one cupboard. Where there is a clock, there is a fish aquarium and then there is a flower pot. The first one what I am telling you is top and bottom. In this image, the clock is at the top of the shelf whereas the plant is at the bottom. What we are able to see in the first one, in this cupboard, the clock is at the top whereas the flower pot that is at the bottom. Now coming to the next position words, tall and short. These are the pairing words also as we have used the same ones. Tall and short. See, Tia is tall whereas Raj is short. Now we are comparing. हम compare कर रहे हैं इन दोनों की heights. So we can easily say that Tia is tall. But again then Raj is short. Now, coming to the next one, near and far. What all can you say? The cat is near to the shelf, but the dog is far away from the shelf. We are talking about this shelf. हम इस वाली shelf की बात कर रहे हैं. Like if I have to use a simple example for you, then the chalk is near to me. This chalk I can hold. This is near to me. But the fan is up high on the ceiling. So fan is far away from me and I cannot touch it easily. Right? So the cat is near the shelf or dog. The dog is very far. Dog बहुत दूर है shelf से. Right? So the next one, inside and outside. What do you mean by inside and outside? Inside means जब कोई चीज, when we are talking about a thing and it is kept inside of something, किसी भी चीज के अंदर रखी होती है, at that time we say inside. And when something is kept outside, like this chalk is outside this box, whereas all these pencils, pens, sketch pens that are inside the box. राइट ये सारे पेंसिल स्केच पेन्स पेन्स ये सब इनसाइड है बॉक्स के. Whereas my duster is also outside. I am not keeping it inside. मैंने बॉक्स के अंदर उसे नहीं रखा है. मैंने कहाँ रखा है? मेरे हैंड में है, बाहर है, बॉक्स से बिल्कुल सेपरेट है. Right? Now, coming to the next one. Above and below. Mansi is above Preeti. Now, over here we are taking the friend's help. We are talking about Mansi, Preeti. So, Mansi कहाँ है? Mansi ऊपर है, whereas Preeti is below. So, Preeti नीचे है. Above and below means, above means जब कोई चीज किसी के ऊपर होती है. We are comparing these two. So, above and below, again we are comparing between these two position words. Above and below. मैं above का near और far के साथ use नहीं कर रही हूँ. Above का हमेशा मैं position कौन सी किस position के साथ use करूंगी? That is below. Above, below. Right? The next one is on and under. And you all know that your books are always on the table. आपकी books हमेशा table के ऊपर होती हैं. Whereas your feet, they are always below the table. Right? You never sit keeping your feet on the table. आप अपनी table के ऊपर पैर रखकर तो नहीं बैठते हो ना? So the simple way to understand this, we always keeps our books on the table, whereas we keeps our feet, our slippers, our shoes under the table. Right? The next one. Behind and in front of. Behind means when I am standing behind someone's back. मैं किसी के पीछे हाइड कर रही हूँ, छुप रही हूँ, behind खड़ी हूँ. That is मैं किसी के back side में हूँ. That is behind. Whereas in front of. In front of means I am standing in front of you. मैं इस समय आप सबके सामने खड़ी हूँ. I am in front of you. Now I am going and hiding behind my gate. So I am going. Bye. There I went behind the gate. Right now I am in front of you. मैं फिर से आप सबके सामने आ गई हूँ. But अभी मैम ने बीच में क्या किया था? मैम चली गई थी गेट के पीछे. I went behind the gate. There I went behind the gate. And now I am again in front of you. मैं फिर से आपके आ गई. तो behind और in front. Right? So there we goes on with the more.